Texans Water Heaters is a family-owned company that specializes in water heaters. We travel all the way from Conroe down south to Galveston. Unlike plumbing companies that only install a couple water heaters a month, we do this every day because we focus only on water heaters. If your water heater is 10 years old, my recommendation will be to look for replacement. When it comes to insurance, water heaters are super important because the devastation that a water heater can cause to a home can be in the hundreds of thousands. If you don't know how old your water heater is, look at the plate. It's usually on the water heater, and there should be a manufacturing date on the water heater. Most homes will mostly have either one water heater or two water heaters, and we come prepared. We have water heaters in our van that will fit most applications. We have 40 and 50 gallon water heaters stocked up, and we're usually able to install your water heater when we show up to your home. Tankless water heaters are a great option, especially if you're trying to save space, they're energy efficient, and you don't have to mess with a pilot light. Contact Texans Water Heaters for a free estimate over the phone. If you don't have hot water, the first thing you need to do before you contact a plumbing company is this. If your unit is not getting power, check to make sure there's power to the outlet. Tankless water heaters are just like computers. If they give you an error code and you unplug it and plug it back in, may solve that issue. After that, check to make sure that the breaker's not tripped and there's power to the outlet. Texans Water Heaters is licensed and insured, Master Plumber certified to work on commercial and residential tankless and commercial water heaters. Our team is the best. I train my guys to make sure they do an amazing job for our customers because I want to make sure that they get treated like I want to be treated. Every single one of our technicians is licensed and vetted by the state of Texas. Right now, I want everybody to go to their water heater, check the age. If it's 10 years or older, give us a call. We'll provide you with an estimate over the phone.